Creating a travel map animation in CapCut on PC involves a combination of video layers, effects, and animation tools. Obtain these things and drag them to the timeline one by one. After adding a map to the timeline, add a text and type hyphens as much as you want. Now make a curve of these hyphens and apply a shadow effect for a dynamic look. Afterwards, adjust this curve by rotating and decreasing, then place it at your desired location. Go to the Animation In tab and apply Type 1 animation and set its duration to 5 seconds. Now add location sign at start and stop positions. Drag it to timeline and resize it. Duplicate it for last position. Select all the clips on timeline and create compound clip. Drag aeroplane to the timeline and resize it. Place it at the start of animation. Afterwards, apply keyframes at the beginning and ending positions. You can see the aeroplane doesn't follow the animation, so apply keyframes at the distance of 10 frames. When the animation completed, apply airplane sound from the Audio tab. And there you have it, a professional-looking travel map animation created in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome editing tips.